To begin, we will drag a clip to our timeline, and there are essentially two different ways to trim and cut a video. The first is trimming. Trimming is when you drag the edges of a clip to remove the beginning or end that you don't want to include in your clip. And you don't have to be afraid of removing because the original clip is always still intact. It's just what you are displaying and presenting in your final project. The other way is to cut. It's when you want to remove a segment inside of your clip. So you place the marker where you want to do the insert, select it, and either press cut or S on your keyboard for split. This will split the clip up into two different parts. Place the marker where you want to make another cut and press S. Now you have a middle part that you can remove just by clicking on it and clicking backspace or delete on your keyboard. Now you will have a gap between your clips, so you will have to close this gap by dragging the clip. But there is a quicker way to do this, if we just go back 2 steps, is to do a ripple delete. So what you can do is right click on the clip that you want to remove and press ripple delete or shift plus delete. This will remove the clip and close the gap for you automatically. So that's the beauty with ripple delete. And that's essentially all you need to know about trimming and cutting. Now, if you want me to go through a full-blown tutorial editing live from start to finish, step by step, make sure to head over to the next video that you will see on the screen now.